myself Dr. Shivanjali Sharma. I am an assistant professor in Petroleum Engineering Department, Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Technology. Today I feel really delighted to share about my experiences about the institute, campus safety and environment, especially for the girl students which are aspiring to be a student at RGIPT. So let us start with the campus life. So RGIPT has a very lush green campus and we provide complete freedom to the girl students. We have separate hostels for the girl students with separate gymnasium.
The campus life at RGIPT provides us freedom along with a sense of security, owed to the presence of a large number of guards, both male and female, the establishment of a women's cell, and an annual women's safety workshop by POSHCA. With our primary concerns of safety and security being taken care of, we female students find it easier to put our undivided determination into the various activities of student life, be it working around the clock at research laboratories, taking part in cultural activities, attending student body meetings, or any other co-curriculars.
Being how safe is this campus considering it is situated in such a remote location? So let me tell you one thing, that there are several guards at each entry and exit point. There are guards outside the hostel as well as inside the hostel. Especially for girls, I wanted to say that if you wished to take a walk around the campus or around your hostel even at 1 o'clock in the night, no one is going to bother you. The matrons are present in the girls' hostel 24/7. If you face any problem, you can go to them. They are very helpful, they are very forthcoming. The hostel staff is very helpful, especially.
I have been in RGIPT since 11 years and I always feel very safe and secure in RGIPT. Our faculty colleagues are also very supportive, very cooperative. Our director sir is also very supportive, he is always there to listen to the problem and provide immediate solution to them. Regarding girls' student safety, we have separate hostels for girls where the lady guard facility is available for 24 hours. Boys are not allowed to enter into girls' hostel. Even the hostel staff and maintenance staff is also not allowed without permission. Many girls are also working in lab in the night without any fear. The girls also roam in the institute without any fear because the campus is fully secure and safe for them. Campus life is also very lively, very encouraging.
Away from city's hustle bustle, a lush green and clean campus with all sorts of facility inside the campus itself. Say 24 hours of ATM facilities to 24 hours of security in and outside the hostel premises. A clean and well-equipped hostel facility. 24 hours of Wi-Fi facility with TV room for entertainment and gym for the fitness purpose.
Mind the security, we have female guards, both male and female guards. We also have separate representation cell, let's say by the name of women's cell. It is fully fledged and working. We also have internal complaints committee, an annual workshop for women's safety, awareness about its laws is always conducted by the women's cell. Usually we conduct it on 8th March, that is International Women's Day, and I am a proud member of the women's cell.
There is a conducive environment inside the campus for all of us. There are ATM, there are banks, medical facility, and all the necessity inside the campus is being provided for all of us. It fetches excellent ambience, well-equipped infrastructure. It's peaceful, it's healthy.
There are CCTV cameras installed at the entrances of all the blocks in the hostel. We also have been provided with night cafeteria which is active till 1 am, and we feel extremely safe and good to go even at 1 am.
Keeping in mind the representation of our girls in various sports activity, we do provide separate female coaches for every sport which is available at RGIPT. So they have an equal representation of our institute, whether on inter-district basis, interstate or national basis. Next, the campus life, if we would say, the girls have been provided complete freedom when it comes to working in the research labs at odd hours. I myself have supervised several female students, PG, UG, PhD, for in several research projects in several internships, and it is completely safe to work even at odd hours or late hours in the laboratory. As far as their representation in various student council committees is concerned, right starting from the hostel committee, mess committee, or any gymkhana club, let's say any cultural committee or sports committee or fine and arts committee, there is always a female representation in all the clubs, in all the committees.
I found RGIPT to be a very vibrant institute that provides a perfect ambience for the intellectual, cultural, social growth and all-around development of an individual. Honestly speaking, when I joined RGIPT way back in 2014 as a young PhD scholar, I was slightly nervous as I belonged to one of the early batches of the institute. The institute started as expected with limited research infrastructure but has grown over the years quickly, which is a matter of great pride for all of us. At that time, I was mainly attracted by the profiles of the highly qualified and experienced faculty of the institute, and I am glad that I made the right decision to join this institute and becoming an integral member of this fantastic family. Now, when I look back at my journey at RGIPT JIS, my eyes sparkle with joy, and as I had a very fruitful and enriching time there. The campus is so beautiful and lively. People around me, be it in the laboratory, hostel or other parts of campus, we are very warm, friendly and supportive.
So RGIPT, it's been my second home for past 1 year. So I personally feel our campus is really safe for everyone living there, especially for women. So during the first days when I joined RGIPT, I was really excited to tell all my friends about our guard uncles. So yeah, we are guarded by 50 plus more than 50 ex-army men. So like any kind of protection from any kind of off-campus activities are done wonderfully by them. And speaking about in-campus, currently there are 2 floors for girls' hostel, each of them guarded by separate wardens 24/7, be it in a day or night.
I've been living at RGIPT for like 4 years now. The environment here at RGIPT is really nice. We have all kind of facilities like bookstores, commercial centers, ATMs, banks, everything. But most importantly, I must say that the environment, the campus here is really safe. The security is pretty good, which is really important to survive in today's time in this field with such less girls to boys ratio. Thank you.
My 2-year experience at RGIPT was absolutely amazing. As a postgraduate student, apart from the regular classes, I've spent most of the time working in the laboratories. And the world-class labs which are present there helped me develop a keen interest in research. It was then and there working in those labs day and night that I decided to pursue it, and that particular decision paved my career. What I want to emphasize here is that RGIPT provides a safe environment for the students to work in those labs, and it has a very dedicated team of faculties who encourage the students towards it.
Overall, the environment of our campus is very safe and secure. Also, it is very healthy campus because all over the campus we have so much of greenery, which is very encouraging, very lively. Thank you.
The institute also provides various scholarships and funding where our several girl students have excelled, and they have been sent to various foreign destinations for various activities, international conferences and research programs. By this, I can say, or in fact I can assure you that RGIPT would be a very beautiful memory if you join it as a student. For me, the journey has been really beautiful as a teacher, and I have been provided full support by my colleagues. The professors here are very supportive, and we as professors feel very comfortable working here, and you as a student will also enjoy this journey, and we can do this together to make it a beautiful world starting from the campus life.